All right, so we all know that a good course is nothing without really good assessment, right? But honestly, writing good quiz questions and writing knowledge checks can take a lot of time. So let me show you how quickly you can accomplish writing a quiz question or getting a quiz question started with AI Assistant in Rise. So I have this course that I've worked on tractor safety, and I can go ahead and click on this add block button. I can go to AI blocks and then generate an AI knowledge check. And what AI Assistant does here is it'll actually propose topics for a knowledge check based on the content that I have and based on my learning objectives. So let's talk about safe tractor maneuvering techniques, and I will choose multiple choice. And AI Assistant will actually draft that question for me. And it'll actually even come up with feedback of my answer choice. So here I can go ahead and give AI Assistant some feedback, keep tweaking it. I can always edit and I'm still in full control. But then once I'm satisfied, I can insert that into my course. And just like that, I have a knowledge check that will help to assess my learner's knowledge. So try this out in Articulate 360 today with AI Assistant and let us know what you think.